Marcasite gemstone. Meaning, origin, and color? Marcasite is a polymorph of pyrite and is found in Mexico, Switzerland, Missouri, Guanajuato, and Kansas. Its streaks varies from dark brown to black with slight green touch. Chakra healing, sacral chakra, solar plexus chakra. Birthstone, August. Zodiac sign, Leo. Marcasite encourages manifestation, brings mental clarity, increases willpower, inspires creativity, attracts wealth. Healing properties, physically, draws universal energies, excellent for medical workers, strengthens respiratory system, perks up endocrine function. Emotionally, heals emotional wounds, used for psychic protection, soothing for downhearted people. Spiritually, helps to embrace innate potential, stimulates third chakra and base chakra, brings happiness and enthusiasm. Marcasite jewelry at Gemexi.